In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a website translator to a Shopify website. Since Shopify doesn't offer this feature directly on Shopify, we're going to be using an external widget builder. But don't worry, it's completely free of charge and doesn't require any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I'll put a link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so just go ahead and click there. From here, go ahead and click on widgets in the very top, and then go away from this. On the little search bar here, go ahead and search Translate, and then select the website translator option right here. Next, you need to click on the big pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to a template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now. In this case, I'm going to go ahead with the simplified option right here. But as you can see, when you scroll down, there's loads of different options to choose from. Once you're ready to continue, go ahead and click Continue with this template at the very bottom. From here, you can go ahead and choose the languages that you want to translate between. In this case, go ahead and click Add Language. And let's say I want to do Danish, as that's where I'm from. And then I'm going to go ahead and select it. As you can see, when you go ahead and click, there's loads of different languages to choose from. So you can almost guaranteed find the language that you're looking for. I'm just going to stick with these options right now. Another really cool feature is that you can interact with this over here. So right now I can click the drop down and see what it's going to act like on my website. For example, if I choose Spanish, then it's going to translate it, or even Danish. And because I can speak Danish, I can confirm that this works perfectly and this is correct. If you want to change the design of it, go ahead and click on Design on the left-hand side. Here you can choose between all the different styles that you saw before. So if you want something else that was close to what you're looking for, but if you want to make some tweaks to it, go ahead and select it here. You can also go ahead and choose a different background color. Right now, when there's this droplet with a line over it, it means that there's no background color. So right now, whatever background color you have on your website is going to show behind the widget. But just to show you, go ahead and select a background color like this. Let's say red, and then it's going to look like this. And you can do the same thing for border colors. If you want to add a border, go ahead and click here. Let's say black, then it's going to show up like this. I'm just going to leave it like that. Also guys, after I filmed the video, I realized that I forgot to show you something. On the Elf side widget designer, you can go ahead and click on settings right here. And you have two embed types. This is essentially where on the website it's going to be placed. So right now, if you choose the inline option right here, it's going to be placed in the middle of the website, like I'm going to show in a small pop-up that appears now in the video. But if you choose the floating option right here, it's going to go up in the top right corner of your website, like you can see here. And you can also choose to lift if you'd like by clicking here or even a different position. But I just wanted to show you this because this is also an option, and I know a lot of people, they don't want it in the middle of the header of the website. But yeah, that's just it. I'm just going to go ahead and insert the rest of the first tutorial I created, but this is also an option for you guys. Once you're ready to add the website translator to your Shopify website, go ahead and click on the green Add to Website for Free button down here. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll either need to sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a page similar to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to change anything else, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the left-hand side. Just click the gray Select button. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code right here. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. Once you're on your Shopify website, go on the left-hand side under Header and click Add Section. From here, select Custom Liquid. Now on the right-hand side where it says Custom Liquid, we need to enter the code that we just copied before. You can do that by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and clicking Paste. And now just click away from it. And now you've added a website translator to your Shopify website. One thing I would do before finishing off is to go ahead and adjust the padding here by removing some of the white area around it. And another thing I would do is to move the custom liquid above the header by doing like this, drag and drop. The same way I adjusted the padding before, you can do the same for the header so it looks a bit more integrated, but this is essentially how you can add a website translator to your Shopify website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.